How to remove wrinkles permanently overnight. Wrinkles can develop on our skin due to aging, ultraviolet light, smoking, avoid drinking water, unhealthy diet and repeated facial gestures. Although there are many wrinkles creams, serums, and scrubs available in the market, which are not 100% natural and also have side effects, even so expensive. You may prefer natural ways to get rid of wrinkles. It is safe with 100% guarantee and also inexpensive. Today I am going to share with you a natural overnight cream by which you can easily get rid of wrinkles in few days. Try this effective night cream and remove wrinkles permanently overnight. Let's start with a remedy, homemade night cream to look 10 years younger. Ingredients: neem leaves, 5 tablespoons. Rose water, 2 tablespoons. Natural yogurt, 5 tablespoons. Starch, 3 tablespoons. Vaseline, 1 teaspoon. Method: first, take some fresh neem leaves, rose water and natural yogurt, blend them well. Strain this mixture and extract all juice in a bowl. Then, add starch to this juice and mix it well until combined. Now, heat it in oven, microwave, gas or on stove until get creamy and thick. Let it cool, and then add Vaseline or petroleum jelly in it and mix it well. Finally, store it in any jar or bottle for at least 10 days in refrigerator or fridge. Apply 1 teaspoon every night before going to bed and rub your face, under eye, forehead or neck for some time, then wipe it off with tissue paper. Don't wash your face, leave it for overnight and wash your face next morning. It will remove all your wrinkles on face, forehead or under eyes, and also gives lighter, younger and youthful skin. Note: besides these remedies you also need to change your lifestyle, otherwise it is useless. Try to quit smoking, it is a major cause of skin wrinkles. Drink plenty of water, it will give you younger and youthful skin. Eat fresh dark-colored fruits, fresh juices, milk, green tea, and eggs. Hope you like this natural home remedy. It is 100% effective and has no side effect. Give it a try and remove wrinkles permanently overnight. Don't forget to share it with those people who need it. Also like, share and comment on your suggestion and results.